Hey, Cookaholic, Chef Kendra here, and today we are making a fudgy brownie. So let's you and I do what we do and make it happen. Okay guys, we're gonna start with our oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, we're gonna take some regular sugar, and we're gonna get it into this chopper here, or you can use a food processor, or you can buy super fine sugar. All we're doing here is making our sugar into smaller crystals. Yeah, that's better. Now I don't want to use powdered sugar in this because I don't want the cornstarch. We used 1 cup of sugar. We gave it a good whiz in our food processor or our chopper, and that made 1 1/8 cups of super fine sugar. But it's so much softer. Crack a few eggs here. We have a 1/2 cup of butter or 1 stick, and we're gonna get it in the bowl. We got our butter in this bowl, and I'm gonna microwave it and melt it. Salt. This is just table salt. And I'm going to use some Hershey's Cocoa, unsweetened. And this is homemade vanilla. Not getting jacked up off any vodka. It's just the powder was in. Nice and melted. And we're going to need some vanilla extract. And flour. I'm going to take the wrapper of the butter and butter down this baking dish. You can use parchment paper, you can use silk pad. Do you, bro? Like I do a cake. Okay, we're gonna get our oil in this bowl, just like so. Our butter, which is hot. And this fine sugar we made. And we're gonna whisk. When I was in culinary school, one of my teachers explained to me that I was all tense. It's like, relax. Let the whisk do the work. Whether you do whatever way you do it, just let the whisk do the work. Now I'm gonna add the vanilla extract and the eggs. I'm gonna whisk that in. Yo, now I'm gonna take this little tiny strainer and I'm pouring the flour. And I'm gonna tap it in. We're gonna do the same with the unsweetened cocoa powder. A little fall out the side, that's okay. Also, the salt. It should look just like this. I'm gonna take my spatula and I'm gonna fold this in. We want to be gentle here because we don't want to mess up the texture. Then we're just gonna fold all this together. Now I'm gonna bake this off for 20 to 25 minutes. Now we're gonna let this cool completely before we cut it into brownies. Yo, you can find this and other fine recipes at chefkendra.weebly.com. That's chefkendra.weebly.com. You know I got you. Hey, that's all for this time. Chef Kendra is out. Peace.